Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my traditional brown stew chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Please note guys that all ingredients will be listed in the description box. Go ahead and try all of my recipes. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use. Here I have some chicken all washed and clean. I'm also going to use pimento seeds and scallion, thyme, carrot, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, onion, Irish potato, garlic, and I'm going to add some okra. I'm just going to give it a little twist. I'm also going to add some parsley flakes, some hot soya sauce, some Badia spices, all-purpose seasoning, and some Maggi chicken flavor. So now guys, it's time to go ahead and season my chicken. Now I'm just gonna add the Badia spices all-purpose seasoning. And please note guys, I don't like to use a lot of seasoning, as in powdered seasoning. So if you want, you can go ahead and add other powdered seasoning. Now I'm just adding the parsley flakes, the soya sauce, and the Maggi all-purpose chicken flavoring. Guys, again, all ingredients will be listed in the description box. Go ahead and try out all of my recipes and let me know how you find it. So now I'm just adding the thyme, the scallion, and the pimento to the chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and add the other ingredients to my chicken. The okra, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the bell pepper, the Irish, and the garlic. And I'm just going to combine everything together. Please note guys, I'm not using any browning at all. I'm just going to show you how to achieve that brown, nice, thick looking gravy also for your brown stew chicken. I love that color. This color I love it already. So guys, this is what it looks like after I finish seasoning. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it and leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. So guys, after 1 hour, it's time to go ahead and fry my chicken. So I'm just gonna add my chicken to my hot oil, and I just want it to be golden brown on all sides. So I'm just adding it one piece at a time. So now guys that my chicken finished frying, I'm just going to use the same pot to cook down my chicken. So what I did, I just removed some of the excess oil from the pot, and I'm just going to add some of the seasoning to the bottom of the pot before adding the chicken. So now I'm just going to add the chicken to the top of the seasoning. And I'm just going to add the other half of the seasoning to the top. I also, guys, made a special sauce which consists of tomato ketchup, soya sauce, and other spices. And I'm just going to pour it over my chicken. I'm going to cook this for 20 to 25 minutes until the gravy is thick and all of the vegetables are cooked. And you don't want your vegetables to be too soft. You want them to be a little bit crunchy as well. And this is what it looks like while cooking. I'm going to show you the finished product of my traditional brown stew chicken. And here you have it, guys, my traditional brown stew chicken. The gravy is all thick and nice. Look at that, guys. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my channel. Guys, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.